Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Princess, and for today's video I'm going to unbagging or unboxing my Ipsy Glam Bag for the month of March. And if you guys wanted to see what I've got on my Ipsy Glam Bag, then just keep on watching. So here is the package from the Ipsy, and this is the March Glam Bag, and I'm going to open it and I'm going to show you guys how it looks like. So here is the Glam Bag March, and it says here, and off she went to change the world because it's Women's Month. And this is how it looks like. I love the combination of the blue in here and does have the star. It's because women are the star of the whole world, the brightest stars in the whole world because of their dedication, respect, honesty, loyalty, and how hard work are the women in our society. And I like the combination of the rose gold and blue in here. I guess this is the my favorite among the 3 glam bags I received for this year. You have the booklet here, surprisingly, and it says here it's a Ipsy Shiro, and I love the color combination as well. And in the inside of it, it does have everything here. I wish they're gonna keep this one so that I don't need to go back and forth in their website or in their app whenever I wanted to show you guys what is the items all about and where to get it and how much is the price for a regular price of it. First, I'm going to use these masks from, oh wow, I'm always clumsy about things. They just got dropped. Oh, seriously, I'm just gonna put it there first. So first item, I have these I Do Care. This is the Disco Kitten. It is a illuminating diamond peel off mask, and it does have net weight of 10 grams or 0.35 ounces. And this is how it looks like. A cute one. It's a nice one. Oh wow, it's dripping already. It's nice. I like the smell. It smells good. So now I'm going to apply these masks. And I'm just gonna leave it this for 20 minutes, it says, so that I could peel it off for you guys. I don't like the packaging, although it's cute, but I don't like it in the tub or in this one because I feel like it's too liquidy to grab it and then put it on your face. I'd rather have it as a tube, so that I'm just gonna go squeeze it and then put it on my face. But so far, I think that's the only thing that I could do a review for it. It's just the packaging. So I'll be right back after 20 minutes and peel it off. So now I'm back. I'm going to peel this off now. So here it is, my face. I feel like it brightened up my cheeks right here, so I still have in there. So I'll be right back. I'm going to do my skincare routine. So I'm back. I already did my eyebrows off camera so that we can like save time, and I already set my eyelids too. I put concealer and loose powder in there. So next I'm going to show you guys the one of the add-on that I bought for the Ipsy Glam Bag, and this is the Huda Beauty. This is the Coral Obsessions, and it does have the net weight of 10 grams or 0.35 ounces, and this is how it looks like. And for the add-on, this is $12, and if you guys going to buy this one in the Sephora, it's going to be $27 over. And here it is. This is like all coral shades, and this is like more warm tones. I don't know what happened, but these two together, this one and this one, they both look the same color. I'm going to use this one first. Just gonna go pack it in there. I'm going to use this yellow here, right here. To the third color, which is this one right here, and then I'm gonna go right there. And I'm going to use this one on the cut crease. So now I'm back with this eyeshadow look. So far I like this Huda Beauty mini palette because it doesn't have any fallouts right here. It's easy to use, easy to blend, and I just love the formula of this. And as you guys can see, it's easy to blend, and I think this is the first time I blend my eyeshadows all together, and I like the outcome of these. Although it's not really a perfect cut crease, and you guys can see how is my eyes right now. It's not done yet, but I'm going to use the next ones I've got in this Glam Bag, and this is gonna be this one. And this is the Lord and Berry. This is their I think this is very Velluto Supreme Green, and it does have 0.02 ounces or 0.7 grams, and this is how it looks like. This is a very dark green, I guess, very like evergreen. So I'm going to use this one on my right here. Hopefully it's not gonna smudge, so that it won't let my eyeshadows to be like So I'm going to use this one. So for this one, it's hard to use it when you have eyeshadows. Hopefully I can use this one without eyeshadows, but I'm having a difficult to line up my eyes right here. As you guys can see, it's not that very pigmented, although when you swatch it, it's very pigmented. See, it's easy to use, but whenever I think it's in the eye, it's hard. The next ones I've got here is the mascara from Tarte. This is the Maneater, but I'm not going to use these ones today because I have 4 mascaras open, and I need to finish this ones first before I'm going to open another one, which is this Tarte. It does have 0.15 fluid ounces, and it's made in Italy. I love the mascara from the Tarte, which is the clay one. I'm going to use is this one. This is the Mile High Club from Huda Beauty, and I've got this one on my other beauty box. So I already put the liquid liner in some false eyelashes, and here is my eyes right now. Next I've got here on my glam bag is this brush, and this is the brush, and this is from SLMissGlam, and this is a short shader, so it's like nice to use it for the smudging the eyeliner, I guess, or a little bit of eyeshadow if you want to line up in your eyes. So here it is, and I already got one of their brush right here, so this is from them too, so you guys can see they're the same design but different color. And I think these are for one set. They are from starting price is $30 to up. So for this brush, it's really nice. It's easy to use it for blending your eyeshadows. I like it. It's soft, and this one too, it's soft. I like their brushes so far. Next, I'm going to do my face off camera, and we're going to move on to the other add-on and the last but not the least product on my glam bag. So I'll be right back, guys. So next ones I've got here is from the add-on. I'm going to show you guys this one. This is the Morphe mini bronzer. I've got the Blogger, and it does have 3 grams or 0.10 ounces here, and I'm going to open it for you guys. For the retail price for this one is $7, but I've got it on the add-on for $3 only. And it's easy to blend. I like this bronzer because it's not muddy and it's easy to blend to your face. And it's very subtle and it's easy to build it up. Next one is the from my add-on. It's going to be a highlighter from Ofra Cosmetics, and this is from the add-on too. And here it is. This is the Star Island, and I've got it for $3, and the original price for this one is around $30. And this is how it looks like. This is my second highlighter from Ofra Cosmetics, and you guys know this one. This is the Ofra highlighter. This is a collaboration with Nikki Tutorials, and this is the Everglow, and I've got this one on my other box, and this one. And I think this is the old packaging of the Ofra highlighters. And then I'm going to use this one on my face using these Vicente brush, and I've got this one on my Ipsy Glam Bag last year. Originally this brush is for concealer, but I like using this one as for my highlighter brush. The next ones I've got here is a lip gloss, which is from Ciaté, London. This is the lip lustre or Lustre. This is in the shade of Kiss Me. It's a high shine balm. So I'm going to clean up my lips. And this is how it looks like. The one or the applicator is a little bit different compared to the ones that I always use for lip gloss or liquid lipsticks. Smells sweet, like vanilla, so I'm going to try it. For this lip gloss, it does have glitters, but it's not that really shiny, and it feels like it's balm, although it does have glitters in it. maybe I will use this one at home. So I'm just gonna use this one. This is NYX Cosmetics in the shade Rome. And this is the final look so far using most of the products that I got in my Ipsy Glam Bag, although I didn't use 2 of them. That's it for now. I hope you guys like this video. Give this a thumbs up if you like this video, and if you haven't subscribed yet, please do, and please comment down below which is your favorite so far on this try on products from my Ipsy Glam Bag in the month of March. And I hope see you guys on my next videos, and thanks for watching. Bye bye. Give me your